How's it going, guys? It's Najam. Welcome back to another video. So back in 2015 I got the Kitsound Hive 2 Bluetooth speaker, and it's a really nice speaker. So this back then cost me £20, which was I guess a really good deal for what it is. Now last year EC Technologies sent me their 40-watt bass madness over here, which I really like. This has a passive subwoofer and 40 watts of output power, whereas I think the Hive 2 was 12 watt. This is 40 watts, so this one sounds a lot better, but it is more expensive, coming in at £50. But this is my daily driver. As you can see, I've actually taken the front grille off. Now recently Kitsound have just released their Hive X Bluetooth speaker. So I'm guessing this is the next installment on their Hive 2, from it's an upgrade from the Hive 2 speaker. I'll put those at the side. Let's go ahead and unbox this. I'll do my first impressions on it, and I'll come out with another video comparing this one to the other speakers I have over here. Now this one does, I believe, cost £80, but I actually found a really good deal. I got it for 35 quid from eBay, and right now I can't find any videos on this thing, or like anything really. So there it is. I will say they have cheaped out on the packaging, but that is a much nicer size. I want to take a look at this first. This thing looks beefy, man. It's gonna be good, man. Whoa, this one is massive. Wow, this one is much nicer. Look at that. Compared to the Hive 2, that is much bigger. That is much nicer, and is heavier as well, obviously. Let's see, on the top you got the it's got a microphone, and at the back, oh, these are covered up because this is IPX6 waterproof. So not only is it waterproof, it's what was that? USB out. They still got micro USB for charging it, which I guess is fine. They got auxiliary in still, that's nice, but I don't like the positioning of it. Let's go seal that up. Let's go ahead and quickly connect it to Bluetooth, and test it out. Oh, it's a bit of a different shape as well. So it sits at a better angle as well, and at the bottom it's got like rubber feet. So input is 2 amps, 0.5 to 2 amps. Okay, so let's go ahead and connect it with Bluetooth and see how this thing sounds. Wow, that is mad. That is gonna sound proper good. I can already tell that. Let's go ahead and turn Bluetooth on. Connected to a new device. So I think this is gonna be my new favorite, because what I find with the EC Technologies speaker is that the sound control on that is just a little garbage, Okay, so here it is, KS Hive X. Go ahead and pair this up. Connected. Let's go ahead and play something. Obviously you have to cut this out because it's copyright music, but whatever. Okay, so after brief testing, I've come to a conclusion. This thing is really good, but I think what is missing is a subwoofer, which this one has over here, the EC Technology one, and this why is my daily driver. It has a lot of bass. Not only that, it's well balanced. It goes lower than this one, and is loud as well. Both of them are really loud. I'd say this one, the Kitsound Hive X, goes louder, but it doesn't have as much bass. When you do lower the volume, the bass also gets lowered almost to a point where you can't really hear the sub bass. this one has bass all over the place. But if I were to choose between the two, I'd pick the Hive 2 because the audio control that you have over, you know, the audio, the levels up and down and all is just much better on the Hive. And if you play at loud volumes, this has really good bass. It's a good substitute for this one. This one obviously has a subwoofer, so I don't think there's much that's gonna be this one out on the market as of right now. We'll go ahead and take a look at other speakers in the future, but right now I'll go ahead and put this one to the test, do some extensive testing. In the review I'll also compare it to these two, but I'll also, you know, do a lot of sound quality tests from that you can listen to. So I'll leave it here. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or anything you want to ask me for the review, let me know in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in another video.